Hey everybody, it's Dan. We're making another stack video. So today we're making a raspberry soda. The recipe will be in the description box below. We need to make the sauce first, so let's take this frozen bag of raspberries over to the stove. Okay, so the first thing you do is you take your thawed bag of frozen raspberries and you're going to put it in your pot. And then you're going to take your sugar and you're going to put that in there. And then you're going to heat it up and stir it until the sugar is gone, dissolved. Oh, and this might take a few minutes, so. So that didn't take very long at all. So now you're going to put it in a strainer. And you're going to strain it out to get rid of the seeds. And then you're going to put it in the fridge to thaw, to chill. And I'll see you guys when it's chilled. Alright, so it's chilled. It didn't take very long. So next step is you're going to take your raspberries and you're going to put an equal amount into each glass. Then you're going to put in your milk. Then a scoop of ice cream. And then you're going to finish it off with seltzer water. Now we'll wait an hour for the foam to go away.
Hi, Dan.
Oh, hello Molly, you kind of snuck up on me there.
So I'm sick. That's why Dan made this. I was going to make it, and then I'm sick. And I can't really talk.
I do my best.
So let's get this in. So what did you make? Well, I know what you made.
Yeah, what did I make, Molly? Raspberry soda.
Raspberry sodas. This recipe comes from this Let's Cook Outdoors cookbook, which is from 1961. This is actually from the Sears company. Sears isn't around anymore, right?
No, I think they still have a couple of stores out east, but not out here.
Yeah, I know our Sears closed. All right, so I feel like I want to stir this.
Yeah, I think that would be a pretty good idea. Good advice.
All right. So this was supposed to make 6 servings. So you divide that syrup up amongst 6 glasses. Or you can make as many as you want. Let's see how this tastes. I'm excited about this. I don't find too many vintage grilling or barbecue cookbooks, so I thought this was a good find. I only paid $2 for it. You ready?
Yeah.
Oh, that's pretty good.
That's pretty good.
That's pretty good.
Be a good hot summer day treat.
Yeah, that's raspberry. And it says to mix it with vanilla ice cream, but you could use chocolate ice cream if you wanted to. I think, you know, raspberries and chocolate goes together really well. So, but yeah, no, it's very delicious. And there wasn't that much syrup in there, and it gave it a really strong raspberry flavor.
There's probably a little bit more in there than what it was supposed to be. They were pretty big scoop. But it didn't really say, so.
That's delicious. It's sweet, and it's creamy. And it's kind of tart from the raspberry. I like this. Can I show you the cover of the book? I don't remember. Let's Cook Outdoors. Yeah, raspberry soda. So I will make sure.
To make this on the 4th of July.
Yeah, hopefully I'll be better by then.
Probably not. Ugh.
I'm surprised I can taste this.
Well, at least you don't have COVID.
Yeah, it's just a cold. Yeah, so there you go. And you could substitute other types of fruit. Like, you know, you could do blackberries, you could do blueberries. You don't have to do raspberries.
Pineapple and vodka.
That's like completely different.
Yeah.
All right. That's good.
Yeah, no, it turned out great.
Right?
Even though I made it.
Well, good job. Let us know if you guys decide to make this. And I hope to see you in the next video when I'm healthier.
Bye, everybody.
Bye.